Hey guys, today we are fixing an Apple Watch Series 9 with severe battery drain, lasting barely 3 hours on a full charge. The fix is straightforward, but opening this watch is a high-risk job. One wrong move can permanently destroy the fragile old display. In this video, we'll safely slice through the screen adhesive, use a drop of alcohol to release the old battery, and install a brand new replacement. Let's heat up the pad and do it.